Welcome to the Southern Region by the students of Bull Run Middle School. The Southern Region was located south by the Appalachian Mountains and the Atlantic Ocean. It includes the colonies Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
People in the Southern Region. There were many slaves, farmers, and plantation owners in the Southern Region. If you were there, you could own your own farm. There was many different jobs people had in the Southern Region.
Cash crops. They planted many cash crops, meaning they could sell the crops they grew to England for money. The main cash crops were tobacco, cotton, indigo, and rice. They also had slaves and different buildings.
Trading was important. Sometimes people didn't have what they needed. They relied on others, meaning they were interdependent. They could have traded cotton for fish, or something they had for something they didn't have.
Geography in the Southern Region. The climate in the Southern Region was humid. They had hot summers and cold winters. The land was excellent for farming. They also enslaved African Americans.
Okay guys, so now
The county seat. People in the Southern Region would go to the county seat to make decisions and maybe host celebrations. They did many different things in the county seat.
The end. Thank you for listening. Would you have visited the Southern Region?